Hello. Welcome to the Path to Fluent English.
Hi, Chloe. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here.
I am happy too, Sam. How are you today?
I am doing good. No, I am doing well, right?
Exactly. I am doing well. Good job, Sam.
Thanks, Chloe. Today, I have a problem.
A problem? What is the problem?
Well, my friend asked me, Sam, what is your perfect Sunday?
Oh, that is a great question. What is your perfect Sunday?
I didn't know what to say. I said, I sleep, then I eat, then I sleep again.
That is a start, but we can make it better.
Yes, I want to describe my day, but my English is tiny.
Don't worry. We can grow your English today.
Great, because my Sunday is actually very nice.
Let's look at our 5 golden phrases for today.
Golden phrases. I like that.
Phrase 1. I wake up late. Say it with me, Sam.
I wake up late.
Good. Phrase 2. I make a big breakfast.
I make a big breakfast.
Phrase 3. I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Phrase 4. I read a book.
I read a book.
And phrase 5. I relax on the sofa.
I relax on the sofa.
Perfect. Now, listener, are you listening? Say it with Sam.
I relax on the sofa.
Excellent. Now, Sam, tell me about your morning.
Okay, in the morning, I wake up at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? Wow, that is very late.
Yes, on Sunday, I am a sleep man?
No, Sam. You can say, I am a late sleeper.
I am a late sleeper.
Right. Or, I like to sleep in.
Sleep in. Oh, I like to sleep in.
Exactly. To sleep in means to stay in bed.
I love to sleep in. It is very cozy.
Cozy. That is a great word.
Wait, Chloe, let me tell you a story, a funny story.
Oh, I love stories. Tell us.
3 years ago, I went to London. It was my first trip.
Your first trip to London? Wow.
Yes, it was Sunday. I wanted to see a big museum.
Which museum?
I don't remember the name, but I woke up very late.
You slept in.
Yes, I slept in until 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. That is very late for a tourist.
I ran to the street. I saw a man. I said, "Excuse me, where is the museum?"
And what did he say?
He looked at me. He laughed. He said, "Sam, it is Sunday."
And?
He said, "The museum is closed. Everyone is at home."
Oh no.
I felt so silly. I stood in the rain with no museum.
That is a common mistake. In many places, Sunday is for resting.
Yes, resting. I learned that the hard way.
But look at the English you used. I woke up, I ran, I said.
But I didn't have a perfect Sunday. I had a rainy Sunday.
Well, now you know. Sunday is for the golden phrases.
Let's go back to the phrases. I wake up late. Then I make breakfast.
What do you make, Sam?
I make eggs and I make coffee.
Do you say, I make breakfast or I do breakfast?
I do breakfast?
No, listen closely. We always say make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
Right. You make tea, you make coffee, you make a sandwich.
Okay, I make a big breakfast. I make eggs and toast.
Toast. I love the smell of toast.
Me too. It is a warm smell.
Now, let's do a deep dive.
Deep dive. Let's go.
We have two words, wake up and get up.
Wake up, get up. Are they the same?
Not exactly. Wake up means your eyes open.
Okay, my eyes open. I wake up.
Get up means your body leaves the bed.
Oh, so I wake up at 8, but I get up at 9.
Exactly. You are resting in bed for 1 hour.
I do that every day. I wake up, I look at my phone, then I get up.
Me too, Sam. Me too.
So, for my perfect Sunday, I wake up at 9, I get up at 9:30.
Good. And then?
Then I go to a walk.
Wait, listen again. I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
Yes, we use for when we talk about the activity.
I go for a run.
Yes?
I go for a swim.
Yes, exactly. Good job, Sam.
I go for a walk in the park. The park is near my house.
Is the park quiet on Sunday?
Yes, it is very peaceful. I see the trees, I see the birds.
Peaceful. Let's repeat that word for the listeners. Peaceful.
Peaceful. It means quiet and happy.
Right. It's the opposite of busy.
My city is usually busy, but Sunday is peaceful.
I have a story about a peaceful Sunday, too.
Tell us, Chloe.
Last year, I was in a small village in Italy.
Italy. The food is so good there.
It is. On Sunday morning, I went for a walk.
Did you see a museum?
No, I saw a small market.
A market on Sunday?
Yes, people were buying fresh bread and flowers.
Fresh bread. Oh, I can smell it.
I bought a big piece of bread. I sat on a bench.
Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, an old woman sat next to me. She said, Bella giornata.
What does that mean?
It means beautiful day. I didn't know much Italian.
So what did you do?
I smiled. I said, yes, beautiful day. We sat together for 30 minutes.
30 minutes in silence?
Yes, we just watched the people. It was a perfect conversation.
Wow, you didn't need many words.
No, sometimes beautiful day is enough.
I want to say that. Beautiful day.
You can say it in English. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day.
Perfect. Now, Sam, after your walk, what do you do?
I go home. I'm a little tired.
So, do you sleep again?
No, I read a book.
What kind of book?
I read storybooks, easy stories.
That's great for your English.
I sit in my big chair. I have a blanket.
A blanket. Is it a soft blanket?
Yes, it is a very soft blanket.
That sounds very relaxing.
Relaxing, yes, that is my favorite word.
Let's practice that. I relax on the sofa.
I relax on the sofa.
Or, I relax in my chair.
I relax in my chair.
Sam, do you say, I am relaxing or I am relaxed?
I am relaxing?
Both are good. I am relaxing is the action. I am relaxed is the feeling.
Okay, I am relaxing on the sofa. Now I feel relaxed.
Perfect grammar, Sam. Wow.
Thank you. I'm learning.
You really are. Now, let's try a role play.
Oh boy, fast English?
A little faster. I'm your friend. I'm calling you on Sunday afternoon.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ring ring. Hello, Sam.
Oh, hi, Chloe.
What are you doing right now?
I'm relaxing on the sofa.
That sounds nice. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I waked up late.
Wait, stop.
Did I make a mistake?
Yes, wake is an irregular verb.
Oh no, I hate irregular verbs.
Don't worry. The past of wake is woke.
Woke. I woke up late.
Exactly. Try again.
I woke up late. Then I made a big breakfast.
What did you make?
I made eggs and toast. It was delicious.
And did you go out?
Yes, I went for a walk in the park.
Was it busy?
No, it was very peaceful. It was a beautiful day.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday, Sam.
It was. Now I'm reading a book and drinking tea.
Well, I will let you go. Enjoy your book.
Thanks, Chloe. Bye.
End of role play. Sam, that was excellent.
Was it? I felt a little nervous.
You used woke, made, and went. All correct.
Woke, made, went. Okay, I need to remember those.
Let's help the listeners. Everyone, repeat after Sam.
I woke up.
Again.
I woke up.
I made breakfast.
I made breakfast.
I went for a walk.
I went for a walk.
Great job, everyone. Sam, you are a great teacher, too.
Haha, thanks, but I am still a student.
We are all students, Sam.
Chloe, can we talk about the evening?
Sure. What do you do on Sunday evening?
I cook dinner. Usually I cook pasta.
Pasta is easy and good.
Yes, but sometimes I do a mistake with the water.
You make a mistake.
See, I did it again. I make a mistake.
Yes, we make mistakes. We don't do them.
I make a mistake with the water. Too much water.
Well, the pasta is just very soft then.
Very, very soft. Like soup.
That is okay. After dinner, do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch a movie.
A movie? Do you like action movies?
No, on Sunday I like funny movies.
Comedies.
Yes, comedies. I want to laugh before Monday starts.
That is a good idea. Monday is usually busy.
Monday is very busy. I go to work, I run, I talk.
So Sunday is your reset day.
Reset day? What is that?
A reset is when you start again, like a computer.
Oh, I like that. Sunday is my reset day.
You relax so you have energy for Monday.
Yes, energy. I need lots of energy for my job.
What is your job, Sam?
I work in a restaurant. It is very loud.
Oh, wow. So a peaceful Sunday is very important for you.
Very important. No loud noises, just the bird and the book.
And the clink-clink of the teaspoon.
Exactly.
Well, Sam, we covered a lot today.
We did. I feel more better.
Wait, another tiny mistake.
Oh, man.
It's okay. Just don't say more better. Just say better.
I feel better.
Yes, better means more good, so you don't need the word more.
I feel better about my English.
I am so happy to hear that.
Can we review the golden phrases one more time?
Of course. Listeners, this is the most important part.
Phrase 1. I wake up late.
Or, I sleep in.
I love to sleep in. Phrase 2. I make a big breakfast.
Remember, use make, not do.
I make eggs. Phrase 3. I go for a walk.
Use for. I go for a walk.
Phrase 4. I read a book.
Simple and perfect.
And phrase 5. I relax on the sofa.
Or, I relax in my chair.
I feel relaxed now, Chloe.
Me too. You did a great job today, Sam.
Thank you, and thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you. Your homework is very simple.
Homework? Oh, no.
It is easy. I want you to write 3 sentences.
About what?
Tell us about your perfect Sunday.
Can they use the golden phrases?
Yes, use I wake up, I make, and I go for a walk.
Post your sentences in the comments.
We love reading your stories.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly. We make mistakes to learn.
I make many mistakes.
And your English is getting better every day.
Thanks, Chloe.
You're welcome. See you next time on the path to fluent English.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.